Hey there, mental health professionals. This is Gemma here, and I'm here to bring you a micro-tutorial on being found locally. Are you struggling to get your private practice noticed online? Let's talk about ranking higher in local searches so the right clients can find you. Did you know most clients search online for therapists near them? That means your Google ranking can make or break your visibility. Here's how you can boost your local SEO. First, claim and optimize your Google My Business profile. Add photos and services and your contact information. Use location-specific keywords like anxiety therapist in your city on your website search bar. Collect reviews from happy clients. It builds trust and helps rankings. You can also include posts, contact information, hours open, bookings, benefits of why local search matters, and Q&As. When you make posts regularly, it shows active participation when prospects are checking you out. Keep your content fresh so Google can see how well you're ranking. Address pain points with solutions and show how you can be of help. Small changes can make a big impact, so start optimizing today and let the clients who need your help find you. Need help with marketing? DM me and let's get your clients in your door today.